My heart goes out to you all, because when it was raining the other day, we have to haul down our bed because it was so freezing in because of the rain and the breeze. But thanks to Mr. Hensel and you wonderful people, because you all come to our rescue.
Reds has already delivered with partnership of NCB Foundation, I think over
513.
Yeah, 513 materials for 513 homes. And then we come in and then we add other materials that may be also needed, and reinforcements, hurricane straps. We have to look at a house. If one section, for example, blew off, we have to look at, make sure the old section, right, is still reinforced. Otherwise, there's going to be these situations that arise. So it's a big effort. It's all started here, and it goes all the way down to Manchester and Clarendon and all that, as we are working equally around the island.
So with the help from GX, I managed to get this. So, but still need the help to get back on, to get it up deck or something.
I feel good, because, it's kind of hard, say, never have a proper roof over my head. Yeah, but we can sleep better now knowing that we have a good roof now,
Plan on being here as long as the need is here. We also plan on bringing over supplies and warehousing them in Kingston for future potential hurricanes that we hope don't occur, but if they did, so then we can respond even quicker by having all the tarpaulins and things necessary already in stock in Kingston.
God has sent you all here. He has sent you all here to help out people that is in need. Because I know for myself, I am in need because I don't have it.